The Hyundai Elantra uses an advanced intelligent oil life system, or IOLS, that goes far beyond simple mileage-based oil change reminders. Unlike traditional systems that rely solely on mileage intervals, the IOLs continuously monitors your actual driving conditions and engine performance to determine the optimal oil change timing. The IOLs considers multiple critical factors including engine operating temperature, RPM patterns, driving speed and acceleration, and the number of cold starts your vehicle experiences. Modern Elantra models from 2022 to 2025 feature Hyundai BlueLink integration, allowing you to monitor your oil life remotely through a smartphone app and receive over-the-air software updates. Proper timing is crucial for system accuracy. You must reset the oil life system within 50 miles of your oil change. The first 500 miles after reset are used for system learning and calibration. When properly managed and reset, the IOLs provides 94% accuracy and can extend your engine life by 25 to 30%, making it a valuable tool for vehicle maintenance. The oil life reset procedure varies depending on your Elantra's model year. We'll cover 3 different methods to ensure you can reset your system properly. For 2021 to 2025 Elantra models, use the digital instrument cluster method. This is the most common and straightforward approach for newer vehicles. Step 1. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. You'll see the digital display come to life. Step 2. Use the steering wheel controls to navigate to service interval in the digital display menu. Look for the menu button on your steering wheel. Step 3. Select engine oil from the maintenance menu options. This will bring up the oil life reset option. Step 4. Hold the OK button for at least 3 seconds, then confirm the reset when prompted. The system will ask you to verify the reset action. Method 2 uses the infotainment touchscreen system. This alternative method works on most Elantra models with touchscreen displays. Access settings on the touchscreen, then navigate to vehicle settings. Look for the settings icon on your main screen. Select service interval, then choose engine oil reset and confirm the action. The system will process the reset immediately. For older Elantra models, use the traditional button method with the trip odometer reset button. This method requires precise timing. Turn ignition on with engine off, then press and hold the trip odometer reset button. While holding the button, turn the ignition off, then release the button and turn ignition back on. Always verify that the oil life displays 100% after completing the reset. This confirms the procedure was successful and your monitoring system is properly calibrated. Important warranty warning. Failure to properly maintain the oil life system can void your powertrain warranty. Always ensure the reset is completed correctly after each oil change.